Hey guys, good afternoon everybody. It's not good evening everybody. It's 23 June 2026 and it's 21:15. This is Hari Selasa. Is this Hari Selasa? Yes, this is Hari Selasa. And that's mine. So not for today. So basically what we're gonna do, we're just looking for a chart and just looking for a trade, and I'm taking 3 buy here because overall I just not too I'm not too patient, so you don't be patient is very the most important skill when you were into trading. So I'm not really too patient about to taking short over here because I think based on here there are a lot of community point delta, but and also the seller community point delta, but seller get seller get absorbed by that level. So when I'm looking in the premium indicators, which is the pool input prints, as you can see over here, so you can get the premium indicator by subscribing. I'm not subscribing yet, but I get a free 30 days trial with the premium on the TradingView. So what is look at chart? Look at the chart. Right? Look at the chart. Is the price overly below the POP indicators when I take into this trade. I'm using paper trading. Why you did go into that? Because I wasn't ready. I'm not really ready yet. I'm ready to take another trade into my prop firm accounts. But what it take? So basically, my trading it is saying that when the price are below the POP indicator, we should take it into short. That's first, right? So the price are below POP indicators, but actually in red ons, I think ons the correct way to say that. So on 18s, sorry, I'm missing this low V trend lines. I'll change that into color of purple. You select purple. Yeah. So yeah, this is the market structure shape. This is the market structure. This is the market structure shape. This is always on it. That's the market structure shift, the bearish, and when the price are over here, so I want to take entry long because it's going to be bullish. So as the market structure is from bearish to bullish, right? If we see the 15 minutes time frame, so we can see this is actually bearish overall, right? Bearish overall. But I see there's something in the commodity volume delta and also the volume delta that said the price are not going to be any longer to bearish. On the New York session, New York sessions, and then I see there are bonds of commodity, there's bonds of positive delta. So from starting from 1320, I want to change down to UTC -4 in the New York. So this is UTC -4, and also this on UTC. I'm gonna change that to UTC New York. UTC -4. So when the price are at the 9:30 opens, as you can see, bill before it, there are a lot of commodity volume delta, positive volume delta, and also then the commodity volume delta is a positive commodity volume delta. That's mainly going to be bullish, and as you can see, and when I see in the volume preference, there are bullish taken over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So bullish stock over here and a rejection by this candle. So when the price are rejected by the what I call this? The buyer stake cut, then when you can see the volume delta was 869. Before it is 363, and this kind of loans is handled 425. So this kind of 425 is the positive delta, which means bullish. So this bullish is no longer bullish get absorbed, but it's bullish by bullish aggression. So and then the seller come here, the seller being absorbed. So seller absorption, because it's negative delta, is not good. It's not really multiple in delta. Here's the positive negative delta, but the price holding it, but the staggered seller holding it, staggered buyer, sorry, it's not staggered seller, but because the seller is worth also, I think staggered buyers over here, and also stock buyers over here. So and now we waiting to confirmation, which is another staggered buyers over here, so you can buy over here. Then we got prevent. That's it. That's simple thing to do. And also we can see, oh, there are also the staggered buyer over here, staggered buyer over here, which mean by staggered buyers, that means the, yeah, by seeing the point the theory is when you see the staggered buyers or staggered seller, when you turn that on the settings, so on the settings and then symbol, because we are using the pulling preference. So if we see there are some highlighting, it was in the stagger level. So on the stagger level we choose 3 because it's that default. So when the price are get a stock at level 3, so it's mean the institutional orders get into place. But I didn't know what is the behind idea of that, so I think that's it. So that's the things I want to say. So that's all the things I want to explain to you. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.